Hello friends, this is the dashboard of the Galla app. Today we'll be learning about catalog management. Alright, so this is the sheet and herein you can find all the necessary details like item name, barcode, MRP, cost price, etc. Now, how to update the new stock? It's very simple. Click on Add New. Select the group name. Group name means the category, like the product which you are updating, it belongs to the food and nutrition category, or is it from apparel category, is it from hardware category. So simply you are going to choose the category. Product name, product type, which means it's simple or combo. Simple means it's a single product, combo means it's more than one product, which means 2 products, 3 products, or maybe more. Let's click on simple. Barcode, just auto generate the barcode. It is a good or a service. We have opted for goods. Click on next. Okay. Now, this page is for item info. Item name. This could be dry fruit mix, or let's say just dry fruit pack. Alright. Barcode is here. You have to enter the SKU, HSN code. Again, category. Which category is it? Let's say it's cakes and pastries. Alright. You can add another category from this list. Item unit. This is that the product that you are uploading here, is it available in grams, liters, dozen, kgs, or what is the amount? Or is it like unit? Unit is one quantity. Supplier, choose your supplier here. Accept weight. Now this option you will be using if you are selling something in loose. Let's say you are selling sugar in loose, like it is not packaged sugar. So if a person wants to like buy some loose products, you have that option as well. Okay, so here you can use this accept weight option and you can map it with your inventory. Now you will click on next option, which is pricing. Cost price is the amount at which you have procured the product. MRP is the amount at which you wish to sell the product. Okay. Promo price. Now let's say you are running a discount or some promo code or some promo price for the weekend or some for festivity. So let's say the product is for 100 but you are selling it at 70 for a certain period of time. You can choose the date that from this to this I will be selling the product at this price. Text. Now here, based on the business module, whatever text group fits for you, you will be selecting. And then we have this inventory option. Inventory. Now here we have the store locations. HSR layout, demo, Galla, whatever stores you have that location, the store names would be displayed here. Now here you can select the quantity. Let's say in this particular store, the quantity is 1. And the availability, because it is 1, that means it is available. So we have this blue mark, it is available. In this store, let's say the quantity is 0. We do not have any quantity. So the availability will be turned off. In this store, let's say the availability is 9. The availability is again turned on. New outlet may, let's say the availability is again 0. So we will turn off the availability. We'll click on the save button. And the data will appear here. This is how you can update or upload the inventory one by one. Hope this helps. Thank you.